Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make Poondu Vengaya Kulambu. Before we start recipe, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to watch our latest videos. So now coming back to Poondu Vengaya Kulambu. Let's see the ingredients for making Poondu Vengaya Kulambu. 2 medium sized onions, 10 to 15 garlic pods, oil 3 tablespoons, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, salt to taste, 1 lemon sized tamarind ball, squeeze the juice, Asafoetida a pinch, 1 string curry leaves. So now let's see the process of making Poondu Vengaya Kulambu. First, put on your stove and take a kadhai. Add oil. When your oil is enough hot, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, garlic pods, 1 string of curry leaves, onions. I have roughly chopped my onions, Asafoetida, salt. Give a stir and saute your onions. When our onions are sauteed, add tamarind juice. Give a stir and close the lid. You can see this tamarind juice is boiling. When it is boiling, open the lid. Give a stir and check the thickness of Poondu Vengaya Kulambu. It should be enough thick. You can see here, it should be in this consistency. Our Poondu Vengaya Kulambu is ready. You can serve this with hot rice. It's going to be very tasty and also interesting to prepare. So this was our today's Poondu Vengaya Kulambu. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching our recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.